Hey, 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 ice, drip, white, wrist.
Speaking of Mustangs, I think this is a common theme. Like, I'm sure Copart is used to seeing Mustangs every day now. This is a Cobra. A GT 350. Brembos and stuff all the way around. See how the front looks? Ooh, yeah. It's bent down a little bit. It may have some frame damage. Yeah. Shame. These cars go for a pretty penny. Looks like the ass end is smashed too. Yeah. Oh, it looks like they just shoved all the parts in the trunk and taped it off. Okay. So the trunk lid's really not damaged. So it looks like it took a hit back here to the back. For sure. Got a bent rim. Got a bent rim. And you got a busted front. You know, another bent rim here. Almost like it ran over something. Oh, it's a shame for this one too. It's basically brand new with only 1,100 miles on it. Let's see if I can get the airbags out of the way and we'll try to get in and take a look at it. Oh boy. System off to save battery. All right, there's the Cobra steering wheel, the interior. She's pretty. It is listed as a start. We do have brakes. So what do you say we fire her up, huh? 3, 2, 1. Well, she runs. Low engine oil pressure, so we're not going to leave that running. But she fires up. So that's a win. All right. See the smoke still coming out the exhaust. Thank you guys very much for watching and supporting the channel. Big shout out to Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. Been appreciating the support and you know pushing me to push the channel. I have some news for you. The Mustang that you saw in the video here, I did take the advice of a couple of you guys that subbed that said, hey, stop showing the lot numbers before you bid on them, because yes, people will bid you up. I got some news for you. The GT 350 was won. Now that is an 1,100 mile car. I am going to have to figure out transport and as far as getting it rebuilt, and which means I'm gonna have to get a warehouse now in both, you know, Charlotte, Texas, and Oklahoma. Interesting. So it's gonna be fun. This one's gonna take a lot of work, and it's gonna have a lot of stuff that I don't have the expertise to fix. So it's probably gonna I'm gonna do a Sam Crack. I'm gonna send it to the shop and let the shop do a lot of stuff, like with the oil cooler and all the other stuff that's broken on this GT 350. Will be a video when you guys get to see the delivery. We will do another delivery. We'll do a delivery video of the car. I am working that out now to get the vehicle transported. It wasn't something that I wanted to just drag onto the trailer and tow with the Denali. It didn't make any sense for me to do that. So I was like, all right, we'll pay for transport. It wasn't that much. It was like 1,100 bucks to have it transported. So the good news is the Mustang, the GT 350 Cobra is going to be transported. You guys will get to see an actual full rebuild video on that. Update on the Ford Raptor. I don't know what it is about some Copart yards and other Copart yards, but they literally just pulled the listing during bidding, and that might be because there wasn't a lot of interest in it. My high bid on it was $25K, and that was my max bid, and it was only up to like 11,000 and some change. So I don't know what's up with that. I don't know why Copart does that. I mean, I know I get an idea why they do it, because they want to get more money out of the vehicles maybe for their clients, but I'm sick of that, man. That's good, and it's only in a specific. I'm not gonna put them on blast yet, but it's only happened in a specific yard when I've bid on stuff. It's also happened with a BMW I was bidding on. So, and I got another little surprise for you guys from my BMW family. You may have seen it in another video, and I thought it was too far gone, but it was so cheap it was $50. It was more in fees than it was that I paid for the car. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna have a blast rebuilding that as well, and that one I'm gonna do all myself, hands on. So if you like the content and you like what I do, make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss when we go live. Now, I'm going to have some special things coming up here in the future with some premieres on vehicles. So stay tuned for that so you don't miss out. Make sure you click that bell notification icon so you don't miss out. And I got another couple update videos for you guys here on the Denali, on the XUV. So if you have any questions on this beast, also let me know. I think I'm I'm just over 11,000 miles in on this truck. $400 truck from Copart. It looks good. Runs good. Not bad. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.
She bust it open like